Okay, first thing we need to do is, if you have this silicone plug on the side of the C channel, just remove it. It's very easy. Then you slide out the fabric. It has a wire inside. That's what keeps it in. So you just slide it carefully. It comes out of the C channel. Then you just grab the end of the wire, insert it in the C channel, slide it in carefully. And as you get to the middle seam here, it's obviously thicker. So you're just gonna have to wiggle it a little bit. See, like that, up and down. It's in. And then you just slide it in all the way. As you get to the middle of the case, there's a block right behind this. You may have to play with it a little bit, just pulling it carefully so it goes onto the other side. Only if necessary. In this case, nothing interfered. And then reset the silicone plug on the side, push it in, and that's it.